how without any voltage source it is producing the current in the loop. So as we know that energy cannot be generated, cannot be destroyed. So here the heat energy is converted into a electrical energy. Okay. Now this current which is in the loop is known as Seebeck current. Since this effect is invented by Thomas John Seebeck, so on his name it is known as Seebeck current. If we want to watch the voltage difference between the two terminal points, so what we do, that one point where the two metallic wires are joined together, it is made as a sensing point, sensing element, and the other two ends are put open. They are not closed. Okay. So by putting a voltmeter here, we can check the voltage difference between these two ends. Here you are watching that these two ends are at reference temperature. Reference temperature may be a room temperature or maybe 0 degree Celsius temperature. Generally in industry it is the room temperature or the field temperature. So if we put a voltmeter here, so you will be able to watch the voltage which will be in the range of hundreds of microvolt or a very little amount in millivolt, not more than that. Any sensor will produce voltage or current in the micro range or a very little amount of milli range. This has to be noted. This should be clear to you. So I think now your query is cleared. Now we just watch the physics behind this. What is physics? What is physics behind this? That I have mentioned here. Heat energy is converted into electrical energy. How? On the hot junction, this one hot junction, few electrons jumps by from I am repeating it. On the hot junction, few electrons jumps from valence band to conduction band, receiving heat energy. As you are aware of the electronic energy band diagram in conductors, in semiconductors, in insulators. Okay, so you very well know that in conductors few electrons are already free, but when you are joining the one end of two metallic wires, then at the hot junction few more electrons become free, and if the loop is closed, then these free electrons will tend to flow in the loop. And as we know, current will flow from higher potential to lower potential. It means that definitely between the 2 points there will be a voltage difference, then only current conduction will be possible. So the reference junction, if the two ends, the reference terminals, if the two ends of the reference terminals, if we are making it open and connecting a voltmeter as I have earlier explained, then definitely you will receive a voltage of microvolt or a very lower value of millivolt. And this effect is known as Seebeck effect. You can also tell it thermoelectricity, but this is not much sufficient that we can produce electrical energy and supply to others. This very little amount of electrical energy, electrical voltage is only for indicating purpose, or it will be amplified to such a value so that it can be able to display the value, or it can move a pointer on the scale. I think